Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've been having a lot of success here on Artland with all of our different surprise folds, and especially our Godzilla surprise folds. Now, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to do something a little bit more detailed with our surprise fold today, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla and Kong fighting Mechagodzilla in a surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla and Kong versus Mechagodzilla surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So the first thing we want to do is take our paper and just fold it in half, like we're making a birthday card, and just give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, when you're done with that, I like to fold it in half one more time. So I just line up the corners, and I just fold it in half one more time, giving it a nice crease. Now, then I just take one flap and I just fold it back. And this way I can open up my picture this way or this way. It's totally your choice. I'm just going to leave mine like this. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start right about here and we're going to make his eye. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. It's going to come back here like a check mark shape. Next, we'll begin by making a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go up here for the eye. Then we're going to bring this line back, and we're going to make this line come down, and we'll add a few more extra little lines. Next, we're going to bring this line up, and then it's going to come down, and then we'll take this line all the way to the edge of our paper. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out, and that's going to come down here for the nose. We're going to come right across the fold, and we're going to draw a line that comes in. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then up here with a curve. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here for the neck, with a little line coming off the side. Then let's make a few little curved lines right across here. And right here we're going to make a little curved line that comes down. And then we're going to make a couple little lines right underneath here for the eye. Right up here I'm going to add a little line that goes up and down and then up again for one of the spikes. Now starting over here, let's add Kong. So I'm going to start the eye just a little bit above Godzilla's nose. So to do this, we're going to start right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve back here in a check mark shape. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here for the eye. I'll add a couple little lines underneath it. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come up here and then down. I'm going to bring this line in and bring it down again. I'll add a little line that comes down. And I'll make a little line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down to here. Then we're going to add a little line that's going to curve to here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come down. We'll jump over here and we'll bring a little line in for the mouth. And then we're going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and then up here. Now for his beard, I'm just going to draw kind of like a pointy line that comes down. And then right up here, we're going to just draw a little pointy line that's going to come down here for his head. Now over here, we want to draw Mechagodzilla. Now to start off with Mechagodzilla, we want to kind of line up the eyes. So we're going to begin right about here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over and then up. I'm going to bring this line a little bit farther over. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over with a little line in between here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come over, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to jump right over here. Next, we're going to bring a line over here. Then I'm going to come up at an angle. We're going to go up and then over. Over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over. It's going to come down and then over. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over. Right here, I'll make a line that comes down, and then another one that comes down here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. And another one that's going to come over, down, and then back over. We'll connect this little line here, and we'll draw a line that's going to come down here. I'm going to make a little square shape here and another little square shape here, and we'll do the same thing underneath it as well. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes across here, and then a line that comes across. Make little lines that goes up and down. And I'm going to make a line that comes across here and then down. Now, once we have all of this drawn, then we need to open it up and add some details on the inside. Now, once we open it up, we have our two halves of our drawing. Now, let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start here, and we're just going to draw this line down a little bit. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come back here. Then I'm going to draw this line down. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit, and we're going to come over and then curve up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw some teeth. We'll just put some little pointy, sharp teeth in here. And we'll do the same thing down here, just some pointy, sharp teeth. I'm also going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up and then back here. Now, starting here with Kong, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring it out to here, and I'm going to curve it down. I'm going to bring this up, and then we're going to just connect it to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to run it to here. Starting here, we'll make a long pointed tooth, and then we'll make some kind of more rounded ones here. We'll do the same thing here, kind of a longer one, and then a couple little rounded ones here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, we're going to go up, and then bring it back. Starting here, on Mechagodzilla, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come back up, and another one here for the teeth. Do the same thing here, we're going to go up, over, and down, up, over, and then down. Next, I'm going to draw this line up and over, and we'll connect it to here. This one will come down and over, and then we'll connect it to here. We'll bring this one down and over, and this one up and over. Then I'm going to bring this line over, and I'm going to connect it down to here, and we'll come over. Then I'm just going to draw this line down. Make this line come in, and we're just going to curve it down to here. Also over here, I'm going to add a little oval shape with another little line right inside of there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla and Kong versus Mechagodzilla in a surprise fold. So when we have it all closed up, we have the three titans facing off, and then once we open it up, they are all roaring at each other. And if you want to, you could always add some extra things in here, like you could put Kong's axe in here with Godzilla's blast or Mechagodzilla's blast. There's lots of different things you can do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.